So that just rotates this piece right here, this little piece right here.
I'm assuming it'd be like a piston in a cylinder, the way it works.
Yeah. It's a little different hookup than what I remember Mick's was, but it is what it is. Like,
yeah, and I think his was a Swiss made, if I remember correctly from the video there.
Hey, what's this one?
It's Swiss, it's Switzerland.
Okay.
It's sort of. I'm not sure how many different variations of these there are.
But it should be no problem to hook up any kind of die that you want.
There's a guy in Massachusetts, Faye Butler. Do you know him?
I can't say I do.
He's big into these. He's big into working on Pierce arrows.
Okay.
And I actually have a VCR video of him. Do you have a VCR machine?
That's been a long time ago, Fred.
I know you collect antiques.
That's true. But
I hit a yard sale for a VCR machine. I got a video.
Okay, I got it. We got a VCR, have we? No.
Darn.
Darn. I want to come over here and take a look at this. Come over and take a look at this thing. This is pretty cool too. I'm wondering how much for one of those things? One of these things?
$20.
Okay. I think I would like to have one for $1. You know what I mean?
Oh, I found a piece I made on one of those. I'll show you after a bit.
Look at this bad boy here. And if you don't know what it is, Fred's going to show us. You got a handle over here. Look at that now, would you? That's a handle and a half. Huh? For shearing toenails and fingernails.
This actually came through Crown Assets, and I picked it up at the Shearwater Air Force Base.
Yeah.
So
I'll put a little crown on that.
It might have been something that through the military was used.
Come this way, Jolene. You'll see where the blade is. Brown and bogs. That's always a good sign.
And it's numbered, and it's one of the early models because it's only, what's the number on that, Jed?
76.
So that must have been one of the first, castings.
Oh, okay. Look at that now, would you? And that will shear what you shear with? What kind of?
I was using 1/8 plate. I was fixing the Toyota frames.
1/8 plate, that'll shear.
Easy for that, yeah. It was good for doing that.
Awesome. And I like it because it's an antique. It ain't got a VCR on it or anything.
Well, when I bought it, the guys asked me if I was an antique dealer, and it actually had paint on it when I bought it.
If you was an antique dealer. No, that's cool as shit. I'm not sure what I'm going to be snipping off with it, but...
Well, it's just handy, mostly like a flat bar stuff is what I used it for.
Right on.
Different things. I'll bring a piece out and show you what that ball will do.
Oh, cool. Are we allowed to take a walk in, Fred?
Sure, yeah.
Come on in. Fred makes sills and that sort of stuff for people, as you can see.
But